morning everybody. I am Radharani Tripathi, Saraswati Shishu Vidya Mandir, Dungaripalli. Welcome to class 9th English non-detail, the trunk of Ganesha. Trunk of Ganesha. Look at the picture, trunk of Ganesha. Here it is the trunk. It is a trunk, a picture of Ganesh. So, in our picture, trace about trunk. Dear students, the story The Trunk of Ganesha is based on superstition that is prevailing in our society. Some people in our society are prone to superstitions. They are often affected by this and suffer a lot. The present story is about the mysterious breaking of the trunk of Ganesha family, which was made by Govinda Maharana. The trunk of Ganesha, which was made by Govinda Maharana, a simple and innocent idol maker. He, as well as his family members, were confused about this incident. But at last, the mystery was revealed. Now, read the story to know how the curiosity came to an end. Please, we will read. First, we'll read. It was just one of those days when nothing seemed to go right for Govinda Maharana. Once again, there was this unhappy incident which kept bothering him. Incident means events. Incident means events. One day, Govinda Maharana felt unhappy and a bothering or which is disturbing in his mind. Then next page. At sunrise, he finished. Doable sunrise. In the east direction, the sun rises. So, at sunrise, he finished his bath in the courtyard and took a glass of tea. From his wife's hand. Doable courtyard means front side or back side of the house where the people are sitting. Then his fingers suddenly slackened and the glass slipped from his hand. It was his first conscious knowledge of the fear he carried. The superstitions haunted him throughout his life. That means Govinda Maharana finished his bath in the courtyard at sunrise. He took a glass of tea from his wife's hand, but his fingers suddenly slackened. Doable slackened, loose, slackens. That means slackened means just like I held a dot but slackened. It is slackened. So slackened means loose. So his fingers were slackened and the glass slipped from his hand. It was a fast conscious knowledge. That means, according to the Govinda Maharana, it was the first event which is he carried fear. The superstitions haunted him throughout the life. Superstitions means blind belief. Superstition means blind belief. That means blind belief is haunted to the Govinda Maharana. Then this day there was a special reason for its gloomy. Gloomy means unhappy. This day, which day? When he hunted superstitions or blind belief, or where the glass slipped from his hand. This day, the special reason for its gloomy. Tense manner for it was the third day in succession that such a thing had happened. That means for it was the third day in succession that such a thing had happened. That means in third day, succession, a thing had happened. Then Govinda had learned the trade from his father. Govinda was a idol maker, so he learned from his father. Trade means business. Trade means business. So, H had his father from his father's father. Just like Govinda Maharana learned from his father also learned from his father's father. The substance of the art of idol making, the Durgas and the Ganeshas and the Shiva. Govinda Maharana made different types of image, Durga, Ganesha, Shiva, etc. Perhaps I have no right. One day he thought, I have no right. He told his wife to meddle with the private lives of gods. Here MEDDLE, meddle. Meddle means that means right or acquired. The Govinda Maharana thought that we cannot acquire the private life of the gods. That is why they are angry. Because he thought, why the gods are angry? Perhaps I have been up late using my powers too carelessly. He thought he has been not using his powers too carelessly, and the icons I have been making are not exactly those my father would have made in his time. Govinda Maharana thought also I cannot make exactly this image my of my father's or my father's father because my father's my father also a idol maker. He made different types of image in his time, so I cannot make him exactly like him. Sulochana looked at her husband with frightened eyes, but his wife's name was Sulochana. Sulochana looked to him with frightened eyes. Frightened means afraid. Afraid eyes. Perhaps he was right. Perhaps he was right. She thought. Sulochana thought, perhaps my husband's feeling was quite true, but maybe he was growing older. And another also, she thought, maybe my husband was growing older, and his hands and eyesight were not as strong as before. That means, according to the older age, my husband's eyesight were not strong as so before. So, you must be tired working without a break, she said. Sulochana said, you must be tired working without a break. That means Govinda Maharana cannot take rest. His works continually ahead. Her words betraying her simplicity. Betraying her simplicity. Here betraying means rejected. That means she said her words betraying her simplicity. Her simplicity. Here betray means rejected. She throwing this word. You cannot take rest or without break. You working continually. Then you know what day it is. You know what day it is. Study her for a moment and continue and I am already late on the large Ganesha. A most. What day it is? You know what day it is? Study her for a moment and continue. Study means Govinda Maharana studies to his wife Sulochana, and I am already laid up the large Ganesha. And third also, he was already laid on the large Ganesha. Dear students, you read this part 1 and make some questions and write their answer. Thank you.